The 2026 BMW XC Camper Motorhome is an innovative luxury car that combines the adaptability of a camper van with BMW's renowned performance and style. BMW has not formally disclosed this idea, but it has attracted attention because to its novel features and potential to revolutionize luxury travel. Performance and external design. Stylish appearance. With its aerodynamic lines and unique front grille, the camper exemplifies BMW's contemporary design language. Hybrid powertrain. This system is expected to combine an electric motor and a turbocharged gasoline engine, providing a combined range of more than 600 miles, making it appropriate for long-distance driving. All-wheel drive. This feature is anticipated to improve its capacity for daring excursions by offering stability and control over a range of terrains. Comfort and amenities inside. Luxurious cabin. The interior is furnished with premium materials, such as leather upholstery and cutting-edge technology, including a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 14.9-inch touchscreen entertainment system. Sleeping quarters. The accommodations offer a cozy sleeping space for 2 adults, with the option of an extra sleeping space provided by a roof-mounted tent. Kitchenette. This small kitchen's induction stove and sink allow for convenient food preparation while on the go. Bathroom facilities. Outfitted with a toilet and shower, this room offers the conveniences of home while on the road, technology and off-grid potential. Smart climate control. To ensure comfort in a variety of settings, intelligent systems modify the interior climate in response to outside factors. Solar panels. Extra solar panels can power necessary utilities and enable longer off-grid stays by charging supplemental batteries. Advanced safety features. Improves travel safety by integrating BMW's driver support systems, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping aid. Cost and availability. Estimated price. Given its upscale features and cutting-edge technology, it is anticipated to start at about $180,000. Availability. BMW has not yet disclosed an official sale date for the 2026 BMW XC Camper Motorhome. It is still only a concept. The 2026 BMW XC Camper Motorhome concept offers a preview of the future of high-end, mobile lifestyle by combining luxury and functionality. Even though it is still only a concept design, its cutting-edge features and BMW's stellar reputation for quality point to a potential addition to the luxury camper market, should it materialize.